Grand Rising. Grand Rising. Ooh, we back to copy trading all three accounts today. 49. Let's do it. Let's do the thing. Let's do it the thing, my friend. Look, I have an Asia account now. I named it Asia.
Should have gave it an Asian name.
Got too many previous ex-girlfriends that are Asian, so it's kind of hard for me to pick a good Asian name without being scarred. Top of the top, baby. Yo, you guys in the chat, can you see us like flickering? We're dealing with this issue right now on StreamYard, so where like my camera is like flickering out and so is Lawrence's, but I don't think it's our cameras actually, it's StreamYard itself. If you guys notice that, like I just saw it right now. Let me know if you see that on YouTube, or if you don't, maybe we're just seeing it on our end, but let us know in the comments, please. That would be very, very helpful.
Very helpful. Top of the top, Josh. Top of the top. Top of the top, man. Brian, what's going on, brother? All right,
it's
we're
clear on
London
YouTube
right now.
Okay, cool. So no flickering issues. So maybe it's just for us, Lawrence, so that we're seeing it. So we can deal with it. That's fine.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, good morning. Game plan today is we are testing that near-term volume point of control area like I have been talking about since yesterday. And that is the main focus. We're actually testing it right here at the open. This is literally the area. So I'm interested in this area. I'm honestly interested in a short in this area, but obviously we're popping here at the open, and I just, you know how it goes. It's with the open. It's either you just snipe it right away and you commit to it, or it can cause some issues. So I'm being a little patient here. I do like it. I'm not gonna lie, I like it.
We did just sweep London highs. So at this point, I'm about to look for my entry model, and I'm taking the short if it presents itself.
Yeah, I like that. I'm not against it. Every other market's kind of selling off. I'm just gonna be patient here though, personally. But basically this 21,850 is kind of my main focus today. If we do clear this and hold, I'm looking for 22K. What's really interesting in the pre-market, if you just want to look at some basic patterns, right? I know double bottoms, double tops, you know, some people hate that type of stuff. But if you view them in a different light, a double bottom or a double top or whatever it is just a failed attempt to go lower. So like I really like this like double bottom here, which is creating support, obviously. This is from PPI data from the news. So this is going to be kind of pretty strong down here. So if we do kind of sell back down into this area, I might still look for a long down in 750s. I'm not going to be super eager to short until we get below 720s and like really sustain it. So this is tricky spot, honestly. Like it's not the easiest, and in this little grindy action has just not been easy in general, right? Put in a nice bearish candle yesterday as well. So really kind of seeing how we react in these type of areas is going to be super important. That's pretty much my game plan. I just want to be cautious. Like I said, 21,850, kind of my main level that we are testing pretty much right now. And then if we get down here into 750s, because there is this double bottom area, I'm not going to be super eager to short. I might look for some support to form and then see maybe if it rips back up or something. And then if we get below that, like I said, yeah, I want the rip stick. If we get below that, then I don't know. That's could be it. So that's my plan. That's what I'm looking at.
I keep forgetting to like copy trade my other accounts, so I'm going to keep. Can you see? You can see me, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, you're not. You got to share the screen, but.
Oh, I'm not sharing my screen. I'm just making sure that I actually remember to copy trade my other accounts today.
Okay.
Yeah. I always forget, bro. Oh my god.
Yeah.
That's the shitty part about that's the shitty part about like the live trading, live funded trading, because it's like you can't copy trade. I just have one account.
Yeah. Well, at least you're trading real live cash in front of everyone.
Yeah.
Nice rejection here on ES, but this is obviously not doing much. Tough spot, tough area.
Mm-hmm.
Very tough area. I think letting the opening range kind of set here is going to be really important. See what happens. See what happens.
I want to take a short right now.
You're going to try it? Okay.
I really do. I'm not going to take it just yet, though, but I want to. Just want to let you know.
Yeah, I do.
I'm
Yeah,
itching
I
for
like
the short.
it. Yeah, I like it. I mean, a stop right above the highs, 74s, risking about 30 points. Not horrid. Not horrid.
Not horrid. No.
Not too terrible, my friend. I don't know. I'm just going to wait.
I'm going to take it.
Nice. Godspeed.
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 Oh, gosh.
Good morning.
Oh, my God.
Good morning in the chat.
Welcome out. Let's see. Oh, I don't like it.
That's why I waited.
I know.
That's why I'm chillin'.
I'm chilling too. Hi, Day. You're going to take me out.
Yeah, I mean, just let it do its thing. This is one of those for sure. You just got to let it trade. It's going to be kind of stuck in this little sideways range. It's either going to resolve lower or fucking cruise higher.
Mm-hmm.
But this type of action is going to be very important. I sit on my hands. I know how I am.
I know how you are too.
Oh, I know you know how I am.
I know
I
exactly
know it.
how you are.
I know.
I know exactly how you are, Tanner.
I know. I hate action like this in these areas.
I'm risking everything.
The whole entire account.
The whole time.
All in. Started over today. Dan, Bobby. Tried shorting 15 micros, but I was on NQ, not MNQ. Oh, champ.
15 micros is nasty
15
work,
minis.
bro.
No.
15 micros is nasty fucking work, bro.
No, but he did 15 minis.
Yeah.
Fuck, Bob. It happens, bro. It happens. Just make sure you're not going on tilt with it. That's the main thing.
No, I'm about to lose.
Yeah, bro.
I should have waited.
That's why I waited.
That's what I get. Should have waited for my entry model.
It's just around the open like this is just classic. It's the time thing. This is when I always get fucked in these areas that are really indecisive where it looks like it could go one way. Yeah, I just took you out. Probably right.
I'm down $400 already in the first fucking 8 minutes. I'm a degen.
Well, let's slow it down. Let's be super selective for the next one.
Fuck no, I'm full porting this shit.
Okay.
I need to make it back.
No, don't do that.
I need to make it fucking back, bro.
Let's go. Bob Boo's account, but he used code STRONG for 50% off. I apologize for blowing the account, but at least you get the best discount using Top 1 Futures. Code STRONG, 50% off.
Okay. I know. I'm such an asshole for that.
What, for going too heavy?
Yeah. You see dollar sign.
Yeah.
I'm going for the short again.
This might be a better spot for it.
Yeah. I'm a wait.
Yeah, I would definitely just wait.
Well. Tell me what you're doing.
Let's see. Baby girl.
Maybe girl. Bobby said careful. I know. I'm on edge today.
Yeah. I'm cautious, my friend. This would be actually a little decent spot here. Let's see here. This one more sweep here. I'm gonna try the short here.
I think I am too.
Order filled.
Oh, know.
I'm gonna wait a second. Hold on.
Yeah, I was too early. I need a
You
signal
might not
bar.
have been. You might not have been. Hold
I
on.
might not have been. I'm ready to add to it. I'm ready to add fast. Let's see. No. No. It's a big no-no.
He said shorts, Lord.
Lord.
He said, Lord.
Nah, this probably ain't gonna work here.
Give it a second.
I am gonna give it a second. I'm gonna add to it.
Order filled.
I'm in. Fuck him.
I added as well. Stop at the
I'm in this
highs.
thing.
Let it trade.
I'm in this thing.
Letting it trade here. Let's see if
I'm
we
in
can
this shit.
moving back down.
Ow, fuck. I bit the inside of my lip, bro.
Oh, dude, because you're fucking chomping away on that neuro gum, dude.
Oh my gosh.
How's he too locked in?
Oh,
Way too locked in, bro.
jeez.
Dude, this is just
Oh man, I'm about to get cooked. Today's the day.
Relentless.
Today's the day, bro. Today's the day.
I'm gonna let this trade. I got a really good entry. Only risking 200 bucks. I'm cool with it.
I'm risking 200, but I'm already down 4.
Yeah. God, just no follow through here.
That's just how I feel.
We need some sellers to step in and do some work. We need some leg work here, dude. It's got to be leg day for these guys. Need some leg work here.
Need some fucking leg work, right?
Down into 814 would be nice. Can we get it? That's the question.
Can we get it?
Can we get it?
Nope, don't look like it.
Just let it trade. Don't overthink it. It definitely don't look like it.
Yeah. Yeah.
I'm cool with the loss
Order
though.
filled.
It's really tight.
Cooked.
Yeah. More patience now. More patience. I think it was a good attempt. So I'm not against it. I had like the double fucking attempted sweep here at price and just no real good signal bar. I think that was kind of the issue. Also, I liked this little double sweep though. Boom, boom, boom.
Yeah.
This needed to follow through here. Watch it. This is where it'll be. This is where it'll fuck us.
And my stop loss didn't get hit just yet. I got edged.
Oh, good for you.
I need some follow through here for this edge
Yeah,
to come,
you
though.
do need some follow through here.
I need some follow through.
Do.
Come on. Give it to me. It's not going to give it to me, bro. Oh.
I don't know. Maybe.
Hold on. I need to give it to me. Yeah, Bobby, you're completely right. I'm either about to get crushed or this is about to be a big win, but I think I'm about to get cooked.
Mm-hmm.
I'm pretty sure I'm about to get cooked. Yeah, I'm about to get cooked. That was the opportunity to go.
Need some patience. Got some patience going on here. You might need to lock yourself after this one, bro.
I'm down 600. I'm gonna try one more time.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm gonna try one more time, bro.
One more, like that's it though. But no,
Yeah.
I would wait till after 10 a.m. Give some time now. Give us some time.
Know.
What do you do? Try the short again and get run over one more time?
No.
Like, you gotta
no,
wait.
bro. I'm gonna wait, bro, but
You gotta wait, bro.
yeah, I'm down 600 on the day. I'm getting smoked on today, bro.
It happens to the best of us. That it does, my friend. When in doubt, zoom out. How's the 15 looking? Pretty bullish.
Yeah.
Pretty bullish 15 here. We're testing some structure lows here, though. It's kind of nice.
Oh, you bitch.
Does this follow through here?
No. I'm kind of switching my bias to long now since I got stopped out on 2 sweeps.
I kind of like the short again, dude. I might try this one more time.
Oh, God. Wait a second.
All right, I will.
Wait a second.
I will. I know. I want to see us. It's just so hard in this area because volume point of control zones are like, they're not just this one fucking level. It's like a small little zone. So it's like seeing some structure build out first is like the hardest part in these type of areas. Just like this little rejection, though. Well, I'm just gonna wait. I'm gonna wait. Yeah, me too. How we doing in the chat? What's up, guys? Good morning. Good morning.
Bro, here.
Say what up. Say what's going on. Bro, I thought I tried to pull 727 yesterday, and I felt like my back pop literally. And I was like, oh no. But I ended up being fine. But it was just one of those that was like real scary. Where I was like, oh shit. Josh is short on ES. Josh been crushing it with his levels, dude. See if we get one more sweep here. Then a fail.
I kind of want to go for the long. If there's like a little pop here, I might go for the long. If it drops lower. I'm probably going to end up hitting my daily max loss today.
I think you should wait till after 10 a.m., bro. Regardless. I don't think there's a lot of clarity in this area.
I'm going for the long. I'm gonna wait a second. I'm gonna let you know when I'm at.
Okay. I'm gonna wait. Regardless. I already took 1L. Just liquid IV this morning with some caffeine. I'm long with news from 8:30. Majority out.
I'm long. I might get cooked here, fellas.
I've never seen Lawrence on tilt before.
And it's such a calm tilt though.
I know you have the calmest tilt. I'm like, fuck these motherfuckers, dude. Like I get so
it's definitely a calm tilt.
I know. It's the problem with trading too close to the open, dude. Like that's what leads the tilt really fast. Is like if you try too many attempts too close to the open. That's why my rule is like if I'm trying anything before 10 a.m., I'm like, I'll try it. I gotta just try it once. Like I know myself, dude. Otherwise, I'm like, okay, well, maybe here. Because you guys know, like, I'm like looking for these areas, like high risk reward areas. But this grindy action is just the recipe for tilt, always. 21,900 midpoint of supply zone. Tanner, I know you like point of control. Have you ever taken a look at marking up the previous week's point of control? This is bounced off the upside every day this week. You know, this is a really good point. I don't look at previous weeks. I mean, I look at the near term 15-minute chart, I guess, which is like on my other chart, it shows about 5 days, I think. So I think like it kind of shows that. But I don't mark it, no. But it's a really good, I'm sure it's a great point of control. I don't doubt that. I've seen some other traders use it and it works very well. I'll look into it. I'm open to it. I'm a levels guy. I'm open to levels. I just hate doing too many levels and getting like over, like just thinking about it too much. I do previous week, then I drop it on the daily. I like that. That's sick. That's good. Solid support level this week for sure. Especially this like kind of slow grindy action. Probably really good for it.
Going for it.
I just hate this grindy action, dude. Just fucking annoying. Whole lot of nothing. Whole lot of nothing.
Yeah, I'm probably if this one doesn't work, I'm in my daily loss limit and I'm done for the day.
Are you short again?
No, I'm long.
You're in.
Yeah, I'm in.
This looks like a good short now. No, I'm interested
It
in the
does look
short.
like a good short.
Look at this 3-minute bar. See if this can close here.
It does look like a good short. I might be cooked here, everybody. Cooked.
I might go against you here, bro.
Fuck you.
No, I want to wait for levels, dude. I don't really have a level in this area. 21,900 kinda, but we're right below it. Oh, it's looking good for a short.
Oh no.
No, don't overthink it.
No.
Why'd you enter long so high, bro? Did you enter like on this pullback here?
Yes.
Oh, dude, you're on tilt today. You gotta shut it down.
Yeah. I'm gonna stop.
Yeah, it's just you're entering way too high and
And too
I'll
early.
call it as I see it, bro. You're entering too high. You're just
I know.
and it's okay. It happens. It happens. 30-second looks good. how's the 15-second?
Doesn't look
Actually, it kind
good.
of does look decent.
I don't
We
know,
get back
bro.
below here.
Oh.
There's some market structure for you. Go to the 5-second chart, dude. Damn, this is Sniper Central. Look at it. Here's a bear flag. Just short this bear flag, Patrick Whelan style.
Okay, call it.
5-second bear flag, bro. Crazy.
Oh, man.
Oh shit. All right, getting off that chart before you have an anxiety attack. Do 100 tick for market structure. I don't use the tick chart ever, personally. Just not a fan of it. 100 ticks. Look at this. Jesus Christ. This is what nightmares are made of.
We're going long, baby. I think I'm good on this.
Yeah, it might work.
I think I'm good on this, everybody. If this is a winner, then I'm done. I'm done.
Here's a question. What if it's a winner, but it doesn't put you green on the day?
Then I'm still done.
Okay. That's a good like good thing to chat about. It's like it's really tough to accept that you're still going to be red on the day, but it might be just smaller red from where you were, but you had a good trade.
Mm-hmm.
You know?
Mm-hmm. Absolutely, I agree. But I mean, it's better than being down $620. I'll tell you that. Because tomorrow, when I come back tomorrow, and I win my trade, then I will make up that and some.
True. True dat. I just hate action like this, dude. Like just grindy out. Like there's been 60 points, and it's been fucking almost 30 minutes of the open. I just hate action like this. I'm like, come on, give us something to work with, bro. Where are those 500-point ranges, dog? Oh,
That's what I need.
those were the days.
Those were the days.
One mic. Dude, I remember I think I had 2 micros. I kid you not, 2 micros on one of those days, and I think I caught I think it was like 300 points or 400 points or something like that because the range was just so big that I was just like, okay, this is what I'm trading right now. And I just let it trade, and I was like, holy crap, I just made $2,000 off 2 micros. This is absolutely insane.
$2,000 off 2 micros is crazy.
Got to be a good loser and a humble winner. Absolutely, 100%.
Yeah,
absolutely.
You are right about that, Phil.
Yeah. It's hard because like you don't like losing, and neither do I.
Yeah.
But the best loser wins, baby.
Best loser wins.
Best loser wins. That's for sure. I got nothing in this area, guys. Sorry, I'm just being patient, but that's real trading. Just fucking
good.
Being patient, waiting for it, seeing what we get, going from there. I just got a whole lot of nothing. Now this short looks good.
I'm cooked.
Yeah, the short looks pretty good here. I'm waiting though. I'm not getting involved this high. I want to wait till 10 a.m. Because it could hold here.
Me.
Could hold. It could hold.
I'm cooked.
Yeah, you're cooked. I'm sorry, brother, but you entered way the fuck up here. Grindy action is just waiting to fucking explode lower.
I know.
But this might hold.
For the
day. Yeah, I'd be done too for you.
I ain't gonna lie. Yeah, that's what was his name? Is it Adrian Broner? I ain't gonna lie.
I'm getting cooked.
Bro. Bro.
I ain't gonna lie, I'm getting cooked. Pull back into VWAP here. You might be saved, bro. Did you already get stopped or no?
Yeah, I got stopped, bro. I'm already done for the day. I lost $950 in like fucking 50 minutes.
Sorry, bro.
It's okay.
We gotta slow you down at the open, dude. Too fast at the open. You were that Neurogrum, dude, just fucking ripped you today. Had you sending it, dude.
I know. I didn't give a fuck,
Their
bro.
Neurogum just had you sending it, bro.
I didn't give a fuck, bro.
This is a nice little area.
I don't even know. Staring at the moon.
We got VPOC and VWAP right here. It's kind of a nice area. See, this candle closes. If we have a push back down into 50s, maybe. I kind of like the long here. I'm not going to lie. I know you're going to be like, are you fucking kidding me, bro? Pulled back into VWAP. Pulled back into VPOC. Trying to hold here. Let us see. Let us see the thing. Wow.
You know where I fucked up at? I didn't start annotating on my charts. I normally like annotate. I'm over here just doing shit.
I know. Yeah, you were kind of just you're really aggressive this morning.
I know.
Who harmed you? Who hurt you?
Bro.
Who hurt you, bro?
Bro.
Who hurt you? Let's go bigger time frames. When in doubt, zoom out. 15. We'll sweep up here the 15. Kind of interesting. If this can fall back through, like I said,
I think I was thinking about those kids that was playing Ding Dong Ditch on my door at 2:30.
That happened to you?
Yeah, the other day. Yeah.
Wow, fuck.
Yeah.
At least kids are getting outside again. I like to hear that. That's good.
Yeah.
About being mischievous. I used to do when you were a kid. Did you ever do like mischievous shit like that? I used to fucking love doing. I used to love fireworks and like TPing and egging and like doing all that shit when I was a kid, bro.
I used to try to shoot my neighbor's mom with my BB gun. No, bro, I didn't like her, bro, because one day she told him to come inside for no reason. He told me the next day she just told him come inside just to come inside while we was playing basketball. And then she also worked for the IRS too, so that just rubbed me the wrong way.
Yeah.
I don't know. She rubbed me the wrong way, bro.
Sorry that she's rubbing you off the wrong way.
She pissed me off, bro. You told my friend to come inside just because you didn't want him to have fun, and you work for the IRS. I'm gonna shoot you with a BB gun, bro.
Yep, that's what she gets, bro. I like this long hair. This is looking good. I'm gonna add to this. I think if we can get back above here. This is right into QQQ VWAP here.
I think someone called Lawrence. This is Tilt Lawrence. It is Tilt Lawrence.
This is not what I want to see.
Tilt Lawrence is in the chat. I should change my Instagram name to Tilt Lawrence.
Tilt Lawrence.
Yeah. Tilt Lawrence is in the chat.
I just added on that. See if we can get it push through, follow through. Come on, follow through for me. Oh.
Tilt Lawrence is in the chat, everybody.
Give us the follow through, please. We have the nice little lower high here. I like this. This is right at VWAP. Can we get it? VWAP and VPOC. Systematically speaking, I'm not going to be mad if I fail this right here. But I will be annoyed. Let's see it. Don't fail me here, boy. Give us a push back into 22K.
That's good.
Decent. Decent, decent, decent. Give us the rippy sticky.
Let us get it.
Give us the rippy sticky. This action has just been so slow and just kind of just weak, bro. It's like boring. Man, they're really kind of batting this down here, bro. I need follow through. Give us the push into 900. Give us the push into 900. Come on. Come on.
Got it.
Decent push on the other markets. YM. Everything else pushing decent. Let's see it. This action does suck. It was awful. Awful action.
No more narrow gum for me in the morning.
Yeah. Made you too erratic.
Yeah.
Super erratic. Bro, I don't like this price action here. This sucks.
Hold the line.
I am. I'll let it trade. I don't mind.
Hold the line.
I just would prefer. I do not like that 3-minute close. This pin bar. Engulf this, please. Don't go the other way. Don't go down.
Go down.
Do not go down.
You're good, bro. This long look good.
Yeah, it's. I mean, it's just really fighting here, dude. I just price action wise, this action just sucks. It's pretty heavy.
Mm-hmm.
I think it's gonna take me out, dude.
You're good, bro. You're good.
I don't know if I'm good, bro. This looks awful. I'll let it trade. That's no. This thing's gonna smoke me right here.
Order
dude.
filled.
Fuck that. You fucking kidding me?
Yeah. Yeah.
If this is my sweep though, dude, I'm gonna be fucking pissed. What I was actually looking for. Yeah, this is what I'm looking for here, bro. Yep.
Order filled.
Yep. 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 I'm adding more if we get back up here, bro.
Go for it all.
Don't edge me here.
Go for it all. How many are you in? You're in 5?
Mm-hmm.
Do it for the people.
I am doing it for the people. I'm doing it for you guys. I'm doing it for the people.
Back up there, do 10. Add 10.
No, I'm gonna add just 5.
15 micros. Let's go. Get there. Show Bobby D how it's done. 15. Let's go.
No.
We got this.
Order filled.
We got
okay,
this.
we're in. We're in.
That's good. Show them how it's done, Tanner.
We're in, baby. That's what I wanted to see. That's that little extra sweep there. Now this got to hold the line.
Where's your profit target?
I'll probably take some off into 900s. And then I'm gonna go for 930s after that. And then I'd like to go for 22K. Don't fail me now. This looks good. These fucking guys, dude. Look at this, bro. Are you serious? Oh my God. Just one of those days, guys. Wow.
Hold the line.
I'm not touching it. I'll let it trade.
Hold the
I'll
line.
let it fucking trade. But this is just, I dislike this.
Line. We do have a bullish SMT, Dominic. You're right.
Bullish SMT.
Yeah, we should get a nice little ripstick here. Yeah, the bullish SMT is at 9:55 and 10:03. 9:55 a.m. and 10:03. That's the bullish SMT.
God, these guys are just making this not easy. They're not making it easy, my friends.
Everybody's long. You're good. Everybody's reading the same thing on different systems. The probabilities are kind of high.
I just love this little sweep. This fill attempt to go lower. Should I add 3 more?
Order filled.
I did. Come on.
Let that fucking shit run, Tanner. Let that fucking shit go, bro.
I'm gonna take some off into 900s for sure, though. I'm gonna take off 3 into 900. No, I'm gonna take off 5 into 900.
Ooh.
There we go. Let's go. Look at this. Come on. Let's fucking go. I literally put my order out before this spiked, bro. That's crazy. No, I'm gonna take it off now and let it run.
Order
Oh,
filled.
okay. I guess not. We're going. Okay, I gotta cover some more into 930. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Cover more into 930. What an ad. What a fucking ad, bro.
That's
It
nasty.
happened so fast, you can't even think about it.
That's nasty work.
What's my next cover? 930 or
930s? 930s will be good. 925, 930 will be good.
911s, 912s here.
Bobby D said FOMO. You're good, bro.
Yeah, that was.
If I can sit this one out, you can sit this one out.
Bro. That was fucking nuts. That was a nice one. Don't fucking come back all the way.
Yeah, don't do that. I'm an asshole. I would add more here.
You would add more into this?
Yeah, into that weakness, I would. Yeah.
Okay. Back to composed.
But that's also why I'm on the sidelines, because I probably do shit like that.
Fair enough. Should we go for max win 1300?
Where's that? Where would that be at?
That would be at 945s. I think we do it. I think we go for it.
I mean, hey, 945.
I'm not against it. I mean,
it could, because I think it's going to go. I mean, me personally, I think it's going to go to 930. So it could, but I would leave runners for that.
I think it's going to go to 22K, bro. If we really get up there.
I would sell probably at least half the position at 930. It's probably three-fourths of the position at 930 and let it run. Personally, but do your thing.
I'm afraid they're gonna fucking fail this whole thing here, dude. That's what I'm afraid of. I think one more little pop into 910, like. I just hate when you get a pop like this and no instant follow through. This is troublesome. Yeah. I'm moving this stop to the low of this bar. Low of this 3-minute bar.
Is that where? Let me see. Yeah, that's smart. It should, because it shouldn't go past that impulse candle.
No.
That's smart. That's a good stop.
Give us a nice ripper, dude. That was really fat. That candle was crazy, bro. What is that in the 30-second chart? Look at this. Look at this bar. 62s to 903. That was a 40-point candle in 30 seconds.
Crazy.
Nutty.
He was asking for it earlier.
Nuts. I was, dude. I was like, give me some fucking action, dude. Let's go. 22K seems unlikely. All right, let's see.
Let's fuck around and find out.
Let's fuck around and find out, baby.
Market is going to show you.
Let's fuck around and find out. I will cover some though. I'm gonna be smart, dude. I got my levels on this chart for a reason. I need to
Wait
use
till
it.
you hit 930s, man. Let it ride. Oh, do your thing. Do your thing. I'm on the
No,
sidelines for a reason.
I know. I just really struggling with this 900.
Yeah.
Really struggle busting with the 900.
I don't know.
I'm just afraid that was the impulse and it's going to go the other way now, honestly.
Man, that's, you know. Let me look on the 15-second. Hold on.
Let me do some.
The 30-second looks good, bro.
Let me do some technical analysis.
Yeah, the 30-second looks okay.
It is consolidating.
If it gets a nice little pump right here, if it gets a nice little pump, that looks healthy.
I'm just going sideways. Can we get 910, please? Can we get 910 at least? There we go. Push it. Push it. Give us a big push.
That looks good.
Give us a real big push here, dude. Come on. I want another candle just like this one. Just a ripper. Give us the
There
ripper.
It is. There it is.
Give us the ripper, dude. $905s. So sailing.
Kumar, yes, we do live trade Monday through Thursday on YouTube and Twitter. But on Fridays, we hop on Austin stream. So, and that's a private community. So you guys probably won't see us on Fridays.
Sometimes he posted on Twitter. You could watch it sometimes on there. I'm going to break even on this now, dude. That would be stupid.
Yeah.
I want to cover some here too, dude. I just don't want to be greedy.
I don't know, bro. Let it run, man.
I know you're right. I
mean, you could cover some. Go ahead. Matter of fact, do your thing, bro. Go ahead and cover some. You've been doing good with the trade management. You've been making a lot of money off this trade management shit. I'm going to encourage it, but I think it's going to run up to at least 925s. But if you want to cover some, at least 920. It's going to at least 925s. But if you want to cover some, go ahead.
I like 925s. I do like 925s. I'll put an order out of 925s. I like that. I'm cool with that. Let's see if we can get up there. Let me get off this 30-second chart, dude. I don't need to have a fucking overthinking anxiety time. Look at this is a 3-bar play. This is great on 3 minutes. See, when in doubt, zoom out, guys. Like this looks great on 3 minutes. I'm like, this is great. There we go. Push. I don't want to get extra edge. I'm gonna go to 924 exactly right here. 22K. 22K. Show the fit trader he's wrong.
Full port Tanner. I love it.
I did that. I did add literally for you guys, and I just happened to get that big impulse candle. That was sick. We love that type of shit. Keep her going. Keep her going.
There she is. There she is.
Going. Give us 924. Give us 924. What a push.
There you go.
One more. 3-bar.
There you
3-bar
go.
play. 3-bar 5-minute play. Come on. Just a wee bit more. Into 24. Let's go.
There we go.
19s. This is momentum, baby.
Order filled.
Let's go.
Nice.
W's in the chat.
Let's
Let's cover a couple more here. we can
You
put,
should cover a little. I think you should cover a little bit more, bro.
I know I got 3.
Yeah, I think you should.
I'm gonna cover one more. There's one more. I have a level at 9, literally at 930. So I'm gonna put it out at like 29.
Mm-hmm.
I'll one out at 29 here. I'll put 2 out at 29, dude.
Yeah.
I'll let the last one just run and do its thing. Maybe we'll get 22K. We can just shoot the shit and chat for a little bit with everyone.
He said, "I'm fighting FOMO right now. I'm just trying to be. I am. I'm just trying to be supportive at the same time."
Yeah, I appreciate you doing. You're doing good, Lawrence. I appreciate you.
Thank you.
Man.
I'm just trying to be supportive and live vicariously through Tanner at the same time. But yes, I am fighting FOMO.
Yeah,
I want to jump in, but I can't.
Trail this really tight. Actually, is what I should do. I should really trail this. Honestly, I should trail this to like here. That's what I'm doing. I'm trailing it. I'm being smart. We're taking W's no matter what. We're taking W's no matter what.
Mm-hmm.
Man, that was a really good little pullback into volume point of control. That was
a beautiful sweep.
Yeah, dude, this is why I like the 30 seconds sometimes, because you can't see this shit on other time frames sometimes, right? It's like I had it here, it swept me, but like this is also part of the thing why I'm willing to take these haircuts, because I'm like, if this sweeps here just barely clips my loss, but then holds and reclaims, that's why I was like, I'm gonna try this one more time here. Pulled back here, put in the higher low, and that was the real signal to like fucking cruise. So
there we go.
Give us a push in
pushing, bro. We are pumping, bro.
One more push. One more push, dude. Don't take me out.
I think you should get rid of one more.
Okay, I will.
Yeah, get more. Yeah, there you go.
I'm listening.
There you go. So now, worst case scenario, you're up 775 on the day. Worst case scenario, which is your average anyway.
Yeah, exactly. Just like we talked about yesterday.
Mm-hmm.
I think this is going to slowly cruise, though. I think we're going to get one more little push here.
You're about to hit. Yeah, you're about to hit.
Give me it. Ooh, this is going to struggle here at the top of this wick. Looks decent. Come on.
What can I do after blown my funded, because I got to change something before I go out and buy another? What should I research? Trading psychology? How about that? Research trading psychology.
Ooh, I might cut it all here. I might cut it all.
Trading psychology. That's what you need to research. Chandra banked on the longs. Good shit, Chandra.
Nice shit. Good shit. Ooh, I might cut this right here. If this doesn't hold 910, I'm out. In fact, I'm going to bring this up here to right here. 154.
Shit, you're good, bro. I think you should just go ahead and cut it and call it. Yeah, I get it. It might bounce back up.
Whatever.
Right now.
Whatever. The thing is, I just got such a big push that's my thing. I kind of do this in my system where like, look how far of a way a push I have, just straight up, no pullback. It's just like, on a 5-minute chart, I'm like, this is definitely good.
Bobby said I called that 21,900 and didn't jump in. Arg.
It shoulda, coulda, woulda. It's all about risk management, though. If you guys saw how I managed risk, right? I took a $200 loss, then I took a $300 loss. I was down 500. Not too many people can do it this way because it is frustrating. It fucks your mental capital.
It does.
You have to really, really be prepared to just accept the outcome. Damn.
We're trying to research trading psychology. Another thing that you can do, bro, is you can go on strongtrading.com, right? And then you can apply for one-on-one coaching.
I got a bunch of people that reached out to me recently that are like, they're trying to get on the team. We don't have any spots this second. I think we might have one open up like next month. I gotta double check the roster. 920s here. Is this going to be the edge? This might be the edge.
Mm-hmm.
Real close. Real close.
You're at $900, bro. That's beautiful.
Pretty sick.
Yeah, you did your thing on this one. But
Yeah.
no, for 5800 bold. Yeah, bro, you got it's a psychology thing, bro. You're gonna have to start reading some books and then start implementing. You got to size down. How about that? Like if you're blowing your funded account, that's first and foremost. Try trading with 2 micros. Trade with 2 micros. Only trade twice a day and allow probabilities to play out from there. If you can execute perfectly, 2 micros, be patient. You're not going to get these $900 gainers like Tanner is doing right now. Just be happy with your $200 to $400. Stack it up, go 20, 30 days, delay gratification, be patient, 2 micros, flawless execution, back test, and you got it. Honestly,
And
like,
you Gucci.
I mean, you're good.
Nice exit, Brian. Didn't want to be greedy. Yeah, I think when you're in ES, that thing just kind of just cruised straight up. Didn't have as much of a pullback. Nice work, Brian. Good shit. Brian's on a heater, dude. I had a call with him yesterday. I love my calls with Brian, dude. He's just like motivated, dialed, focused, and he's always coming, dude. He's like, I love when people are coachable and just like he's coming with questions and he's like he fills out his check-in form detailed and always has something to be like, I want to kind of work on this, like what can we do about this, and it's just always such good conversation versus some people will come into the, some of the come in sessions and be like, oh, I didn't really journal, I didn't really review. No, Brian's sending me his shit every fucking day. He is just dialed in with it. I love that. Love the coachability. Good shit, Brian.
Brian's
Do we cover one more? This looks pretty good.
We're linking up tomorrow.
That's right. You guys are getting what? You're getting food or something?
Yeah, we're going to this rooftop bar.
Fuck yeah, good shit. That's cool.
Yeah, man.
Love that. Love it, man.
I just had the best trade of this week. Made $600 on this position. Good shit, Brian.
Nice, dude. Hell yeah. Made 600. Let's go. Thank you for all the coaching.
Good shit.
W's for Brian, everyone. Let's go. I love it. Love it, love it, love it. I wish I had the horn.
Yeah. When does that come in?
I don't know. I got it from TikTok Shop, so it's probably fucking on its way from China or some shit. Bro, I think I'm gonna buy. They have like these like kind of like GoPros now. They're not actually GoPros, but you can like wear them magnetic to your shirt. And don't edge me. Come on. Oh my gosh. Don't
be a dick for a tick. Just go ahead and clip it.
No, it's gonna me. There we go. Let's go. I'm moving my trail up to the bottom of this bar, and we're just cruising. I'm gonna go for 22K.
This is nice, bro.
Yeah. I want to prove the fit trader wrong. Go for 22K. Let's see.
We're going for 22,000.
22,000. Let's see if it goes all the way. That'd be a crazy runner.
That would be.
But anyway, so this camera, it's like it's almost like a GoPro, but you can wear it on your shirt, and it's like really kind of sleek. So it's like I want to do like a bunch of like just I don't know. I could just film it anywhere because that's the thing is about filming like lifestyle vlog stuff. Doing it with your cell phone, it's really hard because it's like every little thing, and I like forget to do it. And so, but if this camera's kind of just running, I could be like, oh, clip this part of my day, clip this part of my day, clip this part of my day, and kind of go from there with it. So
that would be dope.
It'd be kind of sick. So I've seen them all over TikTok and like Instagram, getting ads for them and shit. So
yeah, I was talking to Nick. And he was just telling me like trading content is like really, really good. But if like you actually start implementing like your lifestyle or putting your lifestyle in there too, it'll definitely like blow up for the most part.
Yep, exactly.
I'm too private for that though, so you guys aren't going to see me be on the charts, honestly. Like maybe every now and then if it's like a networking thing, but like my personal life, I kind of like to keep it separate.
Yeah, that's not me. You guys see everything I do all the time, pretty much for the most part. I don't really I don't keep too much shit private, dude. So I've just been used to that though, dude. I was big on like I loved like taking Snapchats in college and shit before it was like this crazy Gen Z shit. Like I was always taking funny Snapchat stories and like doing all that back in the day. I'm just used to social media from like filming my lifts too, because it was like there used to be a huge powerlifting culture and community, like especially when I was like in my 20s. And everyone just posted their lifts and talks about their lifts, and like that's what they did.
You should like get more creative with like your lift videos because it's super entertaining, bro. Because you're lifting a lot of fucking weight, bro.
Yeah.
Like it's actually entertaining. Like, yeah, you do, but you do like snippets, of course, and like stories.
Yeah.
But if you
Yeah.
actually did like
Order
a
filled.
reel of like mixing, that shit would be crazy, bro.
Yeah.
Because it's so interesting. It really is. Like you
Yeah.
lift a lot of fucking weight, bro. It's insane.
Thanks, dog. I mean, a lot of practice. Like, I don't know. I just like, I incorporate some of that stuff into my trading content here and there, but like my other Instagram, I just don't post on it too much. Got trailed out there, $900 on the day. Of course,
Good
it's probably
shit.
gonna hold and go, but I don't care. That was across 3 accounts. So if you want to get super technical with it, we just did what 9 times 3, 2,700 on the day. Pretty sick.
Work.
Pretty sick. Get the
Nice
Google
to
glasses or Ray-Ban ones. Get them prescription. Yeah, that'd be kind of rad. I'm gonna go ahead and lock out in front of all you guys because that's what we do, the lockout boys. Like we always talk about, if you use Project X, which is a great broker, they have it with Top One Futures. You can check it out with Top One Futures. They do have it with other prop firms too. If you like Top Step, or I think you got Blue Sky Lawrence, whatever.
Yeah,
Project X in
both.
general, one of our favorite broker to use personally in the futures game, especially in the prop space. Confirmed trading lockout. So I've made $900. You know, I could be greedy and be like, I want more, or I can go here, go to custom, and lock myself out of Asia, not be stupid, and go to 6:30 a.m. because I'm on the West Coast. Boom. Yes, lock me out. So now we're locked in $900. I'm going to go to settings. I'm going to go to copy trading. I'm going to clear this. I'm going to save changes. I'm going to go to this one right here. We're going to do the same thing. We're going to go custom. We're going to go 6:30 a.m. Yes, lock me out. Then we're going to go to the last one here. We're going to do the same thing. We're going to do custom. We're going to do 6:30 a.m. Yes, lock me out. And I'm already locked out of my Asia account from yesterday because I traded on it because I made $1,000.
That's
So
like actually one of the best advice you give me. So I am gonna dedicate one account to Asia.
Yeah, dude. Like you needed to just it's if you need to scratch the itch of trading Asia, just have it be one account and just like accept that it's just one account. If you because it's so easy to like have this bleed into like, okay, well, this one, maybe try it on this one and this one and this one. It's like no. And that's why I love that you can actually lock this out a full fucking day, like the custom, because that solves any of like the degenerate problems as well, where you're like, you know, because it's always in the moment. Of course, when you're logical state of mind, when you're not actually trading, you're like, oh yeah, like you know, I'm gonna like I won't overtrade this. I won't do that or anything like that. And it's like, no. Then you get in that bad state of mind, and then you start doing it. That's how it happens exactly. So, damn, I got barely clipped on that. I kind of thought that would happen. I was like, this probably clip me and then hold 900.
Bro, we're going to 22K, bro.
I know. I think we are going to 22K.
We're going to 22.
I was down 500 to up 900, so I will take that. It's a nice.
Yeah, that's beautiful. That's 1,400 total.
Yeah. So.
Yeah.
Fantastic. Look at this hammer now, though. This looks great, dude. This thing is cruising.
22.
Cruising.
Get there.
I want to show you guys on my. I want to pull up my grid screen right now for anyone that's interested, because this was my bread and butter setup. This was the pullback to VWAP, and I had some confluence. So let me stop sharing this. Let me pull up my other.
Eddie, do not hold for the sake of us. Do not hold for the sake of us. We're just talking. Listen, do not hold that shit to 22K. We are literally talking shit. Please, like, don't. If you're doing it, do it to your system. Don't do it because we're talking. We're saying
this isn't financial advice, but fucking hold it, dude. Don't be a pussy.
Yeah, don't be a bitch, bro.
No, do whatever your system says. So, real quick, I want to show up here. If we're looking at the grid, let's look at QQQ in the corner. This is why I like to look at both VWAPs, right? The purple line's VWAP. We never came down and tested NQ VWAP, but we came down to the New York session VWAP and QQQ. And look at this. We do pin below it. We had that extra little push down, but we close above it every single time. This is the essence of the pullback to VWAP. You get an extension, you get a pullback, you get long around VWAP, you get the pop back towards the highs. This is literally what I trade. This is my bread and butter. This is my setup I've made the most money on. It's very, very consistent. It works a lot. Obviously, the problem is it's still discretionary. A lot of trading is discretionary unless you have it automated. So it's like, what is pulling it back into here? I don't know if this is going to hold or not. I can just kind of look for clues to see if it's going to hold. So if this wasn't going to hold, then I was going to see how we hold this next VWAP. But it kind of did. And then right here, you have that near-term volume point of control, like I've been pointing out. Look at this. It's like this is a confluence, right? I got New York VWAP and I got near-term volume point of control, that level I've been talking about since the open. Once this gets tested and you have that little micro sweep where we just barely broke this candle low into here, boom, smooth sailing. You get that type of reaction. So that was best case scenario. I loved that. That was awesome. I think my lesson from today is like, sit out of that fucking little morning grind, because there will be some sort of move that will come eventually. But this ain't it. This ain't it. So that's kind of what I got from that. But
my lesson for today,
levels.
My lesson for today is to journal as you go. It'll slow your ass down, because I was moving quick this morning.
Yep.
Quick.
Exactly.
But we'll get it back. We'll get it back.
We'll get it back.
Down $1,000 today. I lost $1,000 last week. I made it back. So now just gotta get back on my shit. So full transparency here. You guys seen it first, and we'll be back on Monday. Yeah, unless Austin shares on X, and then you guys can watch us on X. But
yeah, we'll be on Ace of X TV tomorrow. I don't know if it will be live on X or not. So if it's not, check out Austin. Check out Ace of X. But that's it. We're gonna wrap it here. Thank you all for joining our second week of streaming. This has been awesome so far. Appreciate all of you, everyone hanging out in the chat, all the new people that come in too, saying what up. We definitely appreciate it. We're always here just to talk trading, talk life stuff, do all the type of stuff, learn some lessons along the way, show you like we're not the best traders in the world, but we're fairly consistent and we just keep learning as we go. That's all you can do. That's all you can ask for. It's like you keep showing up, you put in the work, you learn as you go, and that is trading. That's a lot of just progression in life in general, right? We want to get better every day. So we'll shut it down there. Good shit today. Great work, Brian. Great work in the chat. Eddie, I hope your long pans out for you. Manage it accordingly, especially if you're green. Don't be a dick for a tick. Everyone else, good shit. We're going to end it there. Thanks, boys and ladies.
Peace.